everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you're new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. 2021 guys must just end. It's brought nothing but pain to many of us. Anyway, we are left with few days singene ku 2022. Siyathemba uzoba ngcono ke wona. Guys, condolences messages are pouring in for Luyanda Mzizi, known as Lesedi, on Generation The Legacy. Yesterday, she posted a heartfelt messages that reads as follows: beyond heartbroken, I don't think I will ever heal. December was never been friendly to me. Losing my grandmother in December to cancer, heartbroken emoji. Guys, so yeah, her grandmother was sick because of cancer. If you can all recall, Lesedi's last storyline on Generation The Legacy was about her family member with cancer and the chances of her getting it. Guys, well, it was a true story related to her life, and she lost her grandmother because of cancer. May the Lord comfort her and the whole family in this difficult time they are facing. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. You can share the word of encouragement on the comment section.